Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Once Upon a Galaxy game crashing or not launching or not loading error on Android devices. So the very first thing what you need to do is to simply restart your device. For that, simply press the power and volume up button and then click on restart. So after clicking on restart, your device will restart and then try to play the game and check if it's working. If not, the next solution is to check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is properly connected and it's stable. If not, then you can move to mobile data if you're using Wi-Fi and do vice versa, and then try to play the game and check if it's working. If not, next solution is to force stop the Once Upon a Galaxy game. So for that, simply hold the game icon, then click on I option over here, and then you need to click on force stop and then OK. So this will force stop the app, and after that check if you can play the game without any problem. If not, then you need to clear the game cache. So for that, go to the app info of the game and then click on storage and cache option over here, and then click on clear cache. So this will clear the cache of the game. After that, try to launch the game and check if it works. If not, then you should check if there is any update available for the game. So for that, go to the Google Play Store, and the search option, search for the game that is Once Upon a Galaxy, and after that, find out if there is any update available. If any update is there, simply click on update, and after the game is updated, now try to launch the game and check if it's working or not. Next is to check whether your phone needs any update. So for that, go to settings, go below, click on system update, and here you need to check if there is any update available. If there is any update, simply update your device to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, then the last option is to reinstall the game. So for that, simply hold the game icon over here, click on the delete icon, and then click on uninstall. So after uninstalling the game, restart your phone once, and again then go to Google Play Store. In the search bar, search for the game that is Once Upon a Galaxy, and here you need to click on install option. So after installing the game, now try to launch the game, log in with your username and password, and after that try to play it and check if it's working or not. So these are few suggested solutions that will help you to fix Once Upon a Galaxy game crashing, not launching, not loading, or lagging issue on Android devices. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.